In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Vflex to Webflow. Vflex is all about setting up a clean vertical flex layout so your content stacks neatly, aligns consistently, and responds well at every breakpoint. We'll move through the Webflow designer in a logical order, opening your project, focusing the right area on the canvas, reviewing core elements in the Add panel, then walking through the Style, Settings, and Interactions panels before publishing your changes. Start by opening your project in the Webflow designer and make sure you're on the page where you want the vertical flex layout. Take a second to confirm you're in the right canvas view. Now, click the highlighted area of your layout to target the section or wrapper you plan to work with. This keeps your context locked so the next panels you open are focused on the correct element. Open the Elements panel to see your building blocks. If you like shortcuts, tapping the A key will bring this up instantly. From here, click the highlighted item to focus the part of the structure you're working with. Then head into the Structure category. This is where core, semantic building blocks live. Things like sections, containers, grids, and div blocks. The typical wrappers you'll use for a vertical stack. If the list is collapsed or you're double-checking where you are, click Structure again to make sure it's active and the items are visible. Back on your canvas, click the highlighted element once more to confirm it's selected. With that element active, switch to the Style panel. This is where Vflex comes to life. The Style panel controls layout, sizing, spacing, and alignment. For a vertical flex setup, this is the place you'd ensure the element uses flex layout, stacks children in a column, and handles gaps in alignment the way you expect. Keep an eye on responsiveness here. What looks perfect on desktop may need small adjustments on tablet or mobile. Next, move to the Settings panel. Here you can review the element's HTML tag, attributes, and other configuration details that support structure and accessibility. It's a good spot to confirm nothing conflicts with your intended vertical layout. Then open the Interactions panel. This lets you see if any animations are attached that might affect the element's position or visibility. It's helpful to confirm that scroll, hover, or page load effects play nicely with your vertical arrangement. When everything looks right, publish your site. Use the Publish button to push changes to your staging domain first. Review the vertical layout live,